Solve the equation x equals square root of 2x plus 3. To solve these radical equations, what you have to do is you have to square both sides to eliminate the radical sign. So it's going to be x squared equals square root of 2x plus 3 squared, which is simply x squared equals 2x plus 3. So now we have a quadratic equation, and you have to use a quadratic solving technique. I'm going to try to solve by factoring, so I'm going to subtract the 2x and subtract the 3 to get the equation equal to 0. So minus 2x on both sides. X squared minus 2x equals 3, and then subtract 3. X squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. So to factor this, we have negative 3 and a negative 2 for the middle term. Negative 3 and 1, those are the factors that work, because negative 3 times 1 makes negative 3. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. So it's going to be x minus 3, x plus 1 equals 0. So x minus 3 equals 0. X plus 1 equals 0. So add 3 and get x equals 3. Subtract 1, get x equals negative 1. So these are our two possible answers, x equals 3, x equals negative 1. We have to check them both because sometimes when you square an equation, you add answers that shouldn't really be there. So I'm going to test 3 first. 3 equals square root of 2 times 3 plus 3. So 3 equals 6 plus 3, which is 9. So square root of 9. 3 equals 3. So 3 works. Now we'll check negative 1. Negative 1 equals square root of 2 times negative 1 and then plus 3. So negative 1 equals 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, and then negative 2 plus 3 is 1, so it's going to be square root of 1. So negative 1 equals 1. That is not true. So x equals negative 1 doesn't work. Your only answer is x equals 3. So I hope this shows how important it is to check your answers on these radical equations.